Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay mag-solve na naman tayo ng isang math challenge problem dito sa ating math challenge series. Tignan natin, evaluate square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 and so on. So ang ibig sabihin nitong tatlong tuldok na yan, ibig sabihin yan walang katapusan. So pagkatapos niyan may another square root of 2 plus then square root of 2 and so on and so forth. Okay, so hindi siya natatapos. Kaya gusto nyo pag-isipan muna, pwede nyo i-pause muna yung video and then come back later. Okay, so sana na-pause nyo na yung video and sana ay napag-isipan nyo mabuti. So by the way, this question appeared in the Math Challenge competition in 2015. Pero before that, I already saw this question in many books already. So, I think palasak na ito na question na ito. No? Okay, suppose this is equal to x. No? Sa solution, lagay natin. Mahirap isulat siya, so i-equal ko na lang siya sa x. Pag in-square ko yan, yung both sides, no? Pag in-square ko yung both sides, we have magiging 2 plus, so mawawala yung unang radical sign, di ba? Matitira is square root of 2 plus 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 and so on equals x squared, no? Kasi in-square ko yung left hand side, syempre square ko yung right hand side. But notice that this part, no? This part is actually equal to x. Kasi ito yan, di ba? Pareho lang yan. So, ibig sabihin, 2 plus x. Itong part na to is just x, which is equal to x squared. Okay, so subtracting 2 and x from both sides, we have 0 equals x squared minus x minus 2. Okay? So, nilipat ko lang yung dalawa doon. Ay yung 2 tsaka yung x sa kanan. Meaning, I subtract 2 no, from both sides and then I subtract x from both sides, which means na 0 na lang yung matitira sa kaliwa. And magma-minus x ako sa kanan, syempre, tsaka mag-minus x din ako sa 2. So, 0 is equal to, pwede natin i-factor to, diba? Magiging x minus 2, tsaka x plus 1. Tama ba? So, x squared minus 2x plus x is minus x and then minus 2. Which means that x minus 2, ibig sabihin nito, x minus 2 is, baliktarin ko na, is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. Meaning, it's either x equals 2 or x equals negative 1 or both. No? Pero, ano sa tingin nyo yung tamang sagot dito? Alin kaya sa dalawa? Medyo obvious, no? Kasi yung original given natin, may square root of 2 ka na dito. Ang square root of 2 mo dito, this is 1.7 something, di ba? So, this is greater than 1. Tapos, mag-add ka pa ng mga square roots dito. These are also greater than 1. So, imposible na maging negative yung x mo. Okay? Yung x natin is the sum, di ba? This is the sum. So, since puro positive yan, puro positive yung ina-add mo, syempre positive yung magiging sagot. Ibig sabihin hindi ito pwede. So, x equals 2 is, x equals 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so simple lang. Akala nyo mahirap, no? Pero actually madali lang siya pag na-represent na natin. Okay, so ano yung pag-aaralan natin dito? Simplifying radicals, squaring both sides of the equation, factoring, no? And then checking if our answer makes sense. No? So dapat tayo i-check. Hindi porke may value na tayo ng x yun na yun. We have to search for a solution that makes sense. No? Or that's valid. Okay, so maraming salamat. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa ating video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Subscribe kayo sa ating channel, youtube.com/user/9ph. Kindly invite your friends to subscribe also. See you!